Welcome to this short video on one of the 50 myCAD tools available. In this video, we'll look at CreateSections. SOLIDWORKS does not offer any solution to create planes and multiple sections of components of assemblies, bodies, surfaces, axes, planes, or wide entities. We're going to see how CreateSections effectively meets this need. In the first example, we're going to work on a part file. I'm going to cut these two faces, this edge, this curve, and this plane, and I'll choose to create a 2D sketch per section. I can either select existing planes, or repeat normal planes along a skeleton curve, or a linear repetition of planes. I'll choose the second option. I'm going to repeat the top plane with a 4mm spacing, and by clicking Max, the number of planes necessary is calculated. Axes are created at the intersection of planes. Points are created at the intersection of curves and edges. Each intersection curve is created in a 2D sketch. The sketch planes are grouped together into the Plans folder. Sketches and resulting axes are grouped together in the Sections folder. CreateSections also works in an assembly environment and can be used to create multiple sections on a component and subassembly. In this example, I'm selecting the entire assembly and the axis line. I choose to create a 2D sketch per section. I'll then select the section planes I prepared. I hide all components. I'll find a 2D sketch per section line with each point at the intersection of an axis line. If you would like to know more about the other tools available, please watch our other videos or use the local help.
We'd like to take a few moments to tell you about our company. Innova Systems are a UK-based authorised reseller for SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD software. We provide the highest quality technical support and training courses to over 1,000 of our customers. Buying from us doesn't just mean a box of software, you also get the backup of our multi-award winning technical support team. Innova have been voted #1 for customer satisfaction for the last 4 years running. We are a company driven by the continued success of our customers. If you're interested in knowing more about SOLIDWORKS or the services we provide, please get in contact with us.